Today we fight the perils of FDS, Fun Deficiency Syndrome, on this National Fun Day. Today is also Wet Monday, a tradition that grew out of splashing holy water to a university-wide water fight. Now that sounds like fun. It is also National Deep Dish Pizza Day. How about squishing some dough and making your own pizzas? That could be fun and probably not too messy. Cheap but fun things to do. A lack of money shouldn't mean a lack of fun. There are lots of fun things to do that don't require any money at all. Play dress up or make-believe with your kids. Go and ride your bike. Take a walk at a beach or along a nature trail and see what spring has to offer. Play catch or Frisbee with your dog. Fun can take place at work as well. This is also Laugh at Work Week, so check out our posting on this celebration for things that you can do at work. When we're having fun, we forget ourselves. Fun includes happiness, amusement, exhilaration, laughter, and joy. However, we lose our sense of fun as we age if we do not nourish it regularly. So here are today's hot tips for building resiliency and celebrating National Fun Day. Do something fun today, anything, but don't let the day pass without having some fun. Discover how to take small steps towards a healthier, happier, less stressed you by visiting my website at worksmartlivesmart.com.